Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. I know it's been a while since I've made a video for this channel. I'm so sorry, but I'm here now. I've been busy with my crochet channel and crocheting projects and stuff. But yeah, I'm here now and I'm going to be filming myself piercing my ears. I'm a little scared. I'm nervous and I'm scared. Nervous because I've never done it before, and then to do it on camera. Scared because I know it'll probably hurt. So I'll let you know a scale of 1 to 5 what the pain is like when I'm done, at least what my pain threshold can handle from 1 to 5. 1 being not painful, 5 being very painful. I'm hoping it's going to be just like a 2 or a 3 or maybe even a 1. That would be awesome. So anyway, what I did is I went to Walmart and I purchased a personal ear piercing kit, and this is it right here. I believe this was $10, so I'll be opening this up with you later so you can see what it looks like. And then I also bought the earrings. You have to buy the earrings that go with the ear piercing kit. You can't just use any old earrings, of course. So yeah, I'll be telling you a little bit more about these here in a minute. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably pierce one ear off camera just so that I know what to expect before I get on camera and do my second ear with y'all, okay? But yeah, I'm excited and I'm nervous, but yeah, I've always wanted a second ear piercing, and so now I'm finally gonna do it. I bought this like 3 or 4 days ago and I was gonna do it that same day, but I was scared. And so I put it off till now. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll show you what's in here. On the left is the actual ear piercing tool that I'll be using, and on the right is it's another ear piercing kit that comes with the ear care antiseptic, and it comes with the earrings. And this yellow tag right here actually means that it is 14 karat gold cubic zirconia earrings. So I didn't want to use gold plated. I wanted to use 14 karat gold just so that I can leave them in and be comfortable leaving them in and showering for the next 6 weeks, because you're supposed to leave the initial earrings in for 6 weeks. So now I'm going to open up the kit and let you know what's inside. This was, I believe, $10, and the 14 karat gold earrings were $25. So I'll open it up and let you know what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to open up this box right now, and I see instructions and I see a little marking pen so that you can place a dot on the spot that you want your earring to be. And I'll open up the instructions so that you can see them. They come in Spanish and in English. So it's got picture instruction as well as written instructions. So that's the instructions right there. So there's the marking pen, and then here is the actual tool. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Alrighty, let's open this up. Alright, so that's what the actual tool looks like right there. And now I'm going to open up this box here, the earrings and the ear care stuff. And so what's in here is the actual earrings right there, and then the antiseptic. So here's the bottle of antiseptic, and then here are the earrings, and they come like this, so you can't even see the earrings yet. This little thing is going to slide onto here like this. We're going to open this little case up and it's going to slide onto the tool. Okay, so here's the little cleansing little wipe, and this is sealed nicely so you know that it's never been used, no one has tampered with it. So yeah, and then like I said, you take out that yellow thing and we're going to slide that on there, and then you're going to it's going to come out, and when it touches the dot that you've made, then you click it all the way. Yep, piercing it. Yay, I'm scared, but we're gonna try this. I hope it doesn't hurt too much. I'm gonna do the first one off camera. That way I'll know what the pain is going to be like, so that by the time I do the second one on camera with you, I'll already be a little pro at it. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. So here's my first one, and it's a little red because first I got one of those blue ice packs and I put it in front of my ear and behind my ear so that it would numb it a little bit. You know, these ice packs like this, I kind of held it on top, held it on bottom, and then I used the little alcohol little swab and cleaned my ear, and then I marked it. So here's the piercing I just did. This is already my these are my real diamond earrings, and this is the one that came with the kit that I bought. So now I'm gonna do the second ear, and you do have to push a little harder than I initially thought. My hand started shaking at first and I had to really push it hard, so that I didn't think it was going to be that hard to push in, but I did like how when this part came out right here, that part, let me see if it'll focus. That part actually, you're looking at, here's your ear in here, here's the back of your ear, here's the front of your ear. When this part right here touches your dot that you've made, then you know to push all the way, and you know that you're going to get the exact spot where you put the dot on. So I do like that. And so now I guess let's just see, this is the cartridge where the earring was, and it's not hurting at all right now. It's not feeling anything at all. It's just red from the ice, from the ice pack. So I'm just, yeah, I guess this just pulls off and you can throw this away. So I've already dotted this, even though I'm going to have to take it off because I have to do the alcohol swab. I just wanted to know if I was going to be able to find a good spot for it. But yay, it's done. I wanted this forever. Okay, so now I used one of these, and so now I'm just going to pull this open right here. So you peel this back like so, and then you just get it out. And my hands are already nice and sanitary. I've already washed them twice, as a matter of fact, before I even started. Okay, you can kind of see the the gold backing of the earring in that part, and then the actual earring comes out of there. The gun kind of pushes that out, and then that's the part that touches your dot on your ear. Okay, so I hope that's clear. I don't know. You're just gonna slide that in until it clicks. And then don't actually push it all the way through until you're ready to actually pierce your ear, okay? So now I'm gonna get it came with two little alcohol swabs. It opens up like that, so you can do both the front and back at the same time. So right now I'm gonna just wipe that off, clean the front and back of my ear. And like I said, my hands are already clean. So I'm going to do this right now, and I'm going to put the ice on it as well. I haven't done the ice on this one. So let me see. I'm going to do it from the back for a little while. I'll fast forward this part. This part's a little boring. Okay, keep my ear clear. Now I'm gonna hold the back with the alcohol swab and do the front with the ice pack. And you probably don't have to do this because it didn't hurt that much, but if I don't have to feel any pain, I'd rather not feel any. So I told you that I was gonna let you know on a scale of 1 to 5 what the pain was. I would say probably a 2 for my pain threshold. I would say a 2. So yeah. Is it cold enough yet? Probably. Quit being a baby, Leticia. Okay, let's wipe it some more though. Okay, don't want any infection setting in, so be as clean as you can. Make sure your hands are super clean. Now I need to mark it again. Darn, I hope I get the right spot. And if not, they say on the instructions to just remark it again. Clean it off with the swab and then remark it again. So I'm thinking about there looks about even. Yeah, I think so. I think it looks good. I think we'll do it. All right, so I'm scared again. Okay, so let me try to stay in shot. And don't come at it at an angle, it says, because then when you go to put in your earring straight in, your hole's going to be all crooked. So you want to make sure to hold the gun at the right angle, and you're supposed to hold it like this, but because I'm coming at it at a weird angle, because I'm trying to film it, I'm going to put this back here. Here's the back of it, and here's the front. As long as you know that you're right. See how I'm touching the dot? Now that you know that you're in the right spot, click it hard and just do it fast. There it is. I did it. Yay! All right, there it is. So yeah, like I said, it's about, a 2 pain threshold. And I'm going to go ahead and just put my other earring in just to make sure that it looks even. If it doesn't, I'm a little gonna have to put up with it, either that or take it out and let it close and try it again. But I think it looks good enough. I think it looks adorbs. All right, these are screw-in diamond earrings so that you don't lose them. And you want to make sure that your newly pierced earring is kind of loose, and you don't want to touch it with dirty hands. So I hope they look even. Looks like they're even, right? All right, so now what you want to do is you want to get this, and you want to get your get a Q-tip or some kind of cotton swab and get it wet, and you want to clean around it, around the front and the back, 2 to 3 times daily, 3 times preferably. But wash your hands first always, okay? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get a Q-tip. I'm back. I got 2 Q-tips, one for the front, and this for the back, front and back. So put that somewhere sanitary. And I'm going to probably scoop some into here because I don't want to stick the Q-tip in the bottle. And now I am just going to clean around it. Like I said, no pain at all. The redness is mostly because of the ice that I had on it. Okay, so you just want to clean around the ear as such. Now I'm going to dab the other side so I can do the back. And this is what the backing looks like back here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the back of it. Right there. And I'm just going to go all the way around it. Keep it nice and clean. And it says to make sure that that the earrings are loose, that they're not too tight fitting, because they say when it's tight, that's where bacteria will start to breed, and that's when you'll get infection setting in. So let me do this ear now. Keep my hair away from this side. So I think I'm gonna, when I'm off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail to keep my hair, because your hair has natural oils to it, so I want to keep my ears as healthy as possible. So pretty, right? So I was actually wanting this piercing so that I could put my real diamond earrings in there and wear them all the time. And then just wear my cosmetic earrings in this ear hole, but always have my diamond earrings on. Okay, so now I'm going to wet the other side of the Q-tip and do the back of it. And you're supposed to leave these earrings in for 6 weeks, okay? Don't take them out and mess with them or anything else, or think that they're okay and you can just put any other earrings in there. this is really nothing to mess with. I wouldn't do anything other than what the instructions say, so that you don't get an infection, because some people have actually gone to the hospital because their ears have gotten so pussy and big and swollen and stuff. So yeah, try to follow the instructions exactly, and now you know that it can be done at home. You don't have to go spend 50, 60 bucks at Claire's or at some ear piercing place. You can buy a kit for $10. And some of the earrings that you can choose, the earrings that I chose, like I said earlier, were $25, because these are 14 karat gold with cubic zirconias. So they were $25, but they had some that were $10. If you just want to get the ear piercing done and leave those inexpensive ones in for 6 weeks, that's fine. And then you can put whatever other earrings you want in later. So yay, it's done. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Don't be mean or anything. I know that this isn't for everybody. Not everybody thinks that it's safe to do it at home, but I followed the instructions. I used all the safety requirements that I could. I'm using the antiseptic. I used the alcohol swabs, and I washed my hands several times before I started. So yeah, I think it's safe, and I'll let you know how my ears do. Okay, so I'm going to do this 3 times a day when I wake up, at lunch, and then right before bed I'm going to clean my ears. All right guys, I love you so much, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Mwah.